It is, because you have the sheriff saying she thinks this ordinance is unconstitutional, tells her deputies don't enforce it. The city says now the mayor is breaching her contract to provide law enforcement. Today I asked the mayor if there's any path forward for the sheriff's office staying here in the city of Burien. The tent encampments in downtown Burien haven't budged, as a city law that would prohibit them in certain areas is now the subject of yet another lawsuit.
This whole situation has been a waste of taxpayer dollars, of taxpayer time, and of government resources.
Mayor Kevin Schilling says the sheriff is contractually obligated to enforce the city's ordinance.
We passed a law that tackled the negative elements around tent encampments, giving people the option to sleep at night in a tent, but saying you can't have it up 24/7.
But the sheriff told deputies to leave the encampments alone, saying the city's ordinance is too broad and may be unconstitutional. She went as far as filing her own lawsuit against the city a few weeks ago.
Do we as police officers have the legal authority? That's what this is about.
The sheriff claims shelter resources aren't available, so law enforcement can't force people out of their camps. The mayor disputes that.
Beds are available, services are available. I know because I've called them and asked them if they have stuff available.
Both sides point the finger at each other in dueling lawsuits. So for now, the encampments will stay in Burien, but the unanswered question is whether the sheriff's office will stay here for long. I mean, clearly the relationship is soured here between the sheriff's office and the city of Burien. A year from now, do you think they'll still be policing the city?
I think the long-term plan and hope is that we get support from the people of Burien to move towards an independent police force.
Now, the next step in that process the mayor just mentioned could be a public safety levy, which could come with the tax increase here for the people in Burien, but it would allow them to form their own police department and tell the sheriffs, no, thank you. I reached out to the sheriff's office and the county executive today for a response to the newly filed lawsuit. I did not hear back from them. Reporting live in Burien, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.